the concept of dhikr, there are 3 levels of dhikr. And most of us just lie in the lowest level. And the lowest level, which is obviously rewarded, is the level in which only the muscles of the tongues are engaged. So after the salah, when we say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahi alhamd. If only our tongue is engaged, and we are worried about, okay, am I in line with the people, or am I differentiating? Is it my second one, or is it my third one? When do I have to stop? So only my tongue is engaged. That's the lowest level. It has benefit. It is a good initiating factor, and this is something that we get from these days, to initiate and to have that habit of remembering Allah and to think about the concept of remembrance of Allah. But the next level is that your tongue is not engaged, but your heart is engaged. So your heart is thinking about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, reflecting on His names and attributes and so on and so forth. That's the second level. The third level is when you have your tongue and heart both engaged. But actually your heart starts it and your tongue follows it. So you have a good alignment, and that is the best level. So my invitation to you is that as we remember these days, is to get to that third level and to keep repeating the azkar and the different forms of azkar that we'll quickly at, and to keep repeating it until you feel that sweetness and until you understand the meanings of it, and so on and so forth.